Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail and by the title of this video, I will be finally getting my hands dirty with the JUVIAS Place Warrior 3 palette. Now I'm super duper excited because I purchased it a few weeks ago and I still have yet to use it. So this will be my first impression, and as you can see, I'm happy. But anyway, yes, the colors are amazing. So I decided to first go in with the yellow shade and just pack that in there. And as you can see, this color is very vibrant. It's very beautiful. Pretty much all of their colors, their eyeshadows are just bomb.com, like for real, for real. So I'll just be pretty much packing those shades in because I want them to be as vibrant as possible. But yeah, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. So again, I thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, but please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Thank you guys so much.
I like this though. I like this right here. Yes, okay. This light, I gotta get like used to this light though, cause my eyes be like this. Oh, maybe I'm fried.
It's too bright.
No, maybe I'm fried.
Oh, yeah,
I'm fried as fuck.
You fried. Let me see what earrings I'm about to put on. My hair just ain't falling right no more. Sweep that shit back like Justin Bieber. Get out of my face, man. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, but before I let y'all go, I do want to inform y'all that this unit right here is from PremiumLaceWigs.com. It is their 10-inch Brazilian straight textured bob, but all of the information for this unit will definitely be linked down in the description box below. But again, I thank y'all so much for returning back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you have not already. Turn on that notification bell so then that way you will be notified each and every time that I upload another video. But again, I thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one.